The alarming number of car thefts across the country is spurring calls for automakers to catch up with tech-savvy thieves. In Toronto, more than 700 cars have been stolen in just the first 3 weeks of this year. So one man stepped up and took things into his own hands to keep robbers from getting their hands on his car. CTV's Jon Woodward on the scope of the problem and some helpful advice.
The surveillance video shows a $1 million Ferrari F12 driving Toronto streets right before it was stolen in a knife-point carjacking.
This appears to be a crime of opportunity.
3 suspects were arrested today, and that car eventually found by police. But many disappear for good, usually in minutes, with new technological tricks that make most built-in security systems obsolete. But those tricks don't seem to work on this 2018 Grand Cherokee. Thieves have tried to take it at least 9 times on video.
I wouldn't say it's unstealable. It's pretty close.
CTV News isn't identifying the car owner because he doesn't want the people targeting his truck to start targeting him. Wheel locks, a steering wheel lock, and systems inside the truck slow thieves down to the point one of them gets bored and sits on the stairs to wait. Another system silently notifies the owner that something's amiss, so he calls the police, who roll up and start to give chase. One of the 2 thieves was arrested that night and now faces charges.
Anything you do is better than nothing, right? If you don't do anything, you're going to be the next victim.
The horn is pretty much accessible from here.
Toronto mechanic Ron Yosef says thieves have cracked the design of many vehicles. He sells the Igla, which turns a car steering wheel into something like a computer keyboard. Only the right password starts the car.
So it's very unique, it's invisible, the unit is very small, and it cannot be cloned or copied or bypassed.
An approach that shows these thieves they're not the only ones with new tricks. Police here have laid hundreds of charges and returned millions of dollars worth of stolen vehicles. Car manufacturers say they are trying to improve security, but the sheer numbers suggest many cars remain at risk without extra protection. Jon Woodward, CTV News, Toronto.